This video shows the complete journey of how waste animal bones are transformed into safe and useful pet food treats. What many people see as factory waste is actually recycled and processed using modern machines. From collection and deep cleaning to cutting, drying, flavoring, and packaging, every step is carefully controlled inside a professional facility. In this video, we will explore the full factory process that turns discarded bones into strong, safe, and high-quality chew treats for pets.
Okay, tilt it up, let it all out. Good flow, keep it moving onto the belt.
Workers carefully sort the bones and remove unwanted materials to prepare them for safe processing.
All right, let's check the size consistency before the cleaning stage.
Okay, these look uniform, but we'll measure. And this one is 6.1 cm, good consistency.
The bones are washed inside large industrial machines using high-pressure water to remove dirt and fat. After washing, the bones move forward clean and ready for the next safety step. The cleaned bones are boiled at high temperatures to eliminate harmful bacteria. This sterilization process ensures the bones become safe for pet consumption.
The mechanical lift begins its descent into the boiling vat. It secures the bones and lifts them out. Excess liquid drains back into the vat. The bones are now ready for further processing.
Heavy-duty machines cut the sterilized bones into proper chew sizes. The shaped bones are placed inside large drying ovens to remove all remaining moisture.
Let's check this bone for pet safety. Probing the surface now. Smooth texture, no cracks, safe for pets.
Drying makes the bones strong, durable, and long-lasting. The coating process ensures each bone has even flavor coverage.
Visual inspection, coating is even. Measuring length, 6 inches within tolerance. Surface texture is consistent, approved. Excess seasoning is filtered from the mix here. The mesh separates the powder for recycling. The filtered seasoning is conveyed back into the process.
Before packaging, each batch goes through strict quality and strength testing.
Now, let's test the hardness of this bone sample. Applying steady pressure to check for indentation. The resistance is consistent. This indicates good density. Initiating sanitation test on the pet chew bone. The bone is being scanned for contaminants and bacteria. Analysis complete. The bone passes all safety parameters.
Only approved and safe products move forward to the final stage.
The approved bone batches are moving forward steadily toward packaging. The digital display confirms their approved status and tracks their progress. The robotic arm begins precise packaging as the batches arrive.
The sealed packs are prepared carefully for shipment to stores. Products are stored in organized warehouses under proper conditions. From here, they are transported to different markets and pet stores.
All right, team, let's get this shipment ready.
On it. This pallet is clear. Forklift incoming with the next batch.
Perfect. Load it into the truck.
Last one. Shipment's complete.
Finally, the processed bones reach pet owners as safe chew treats.
All clear. Truck's ready to roll. Copy that. Heading out. These look good for my dog. I'll take this one.
What started as waste has now become a useful and valuable pet food product.
Here you go, buddy. A special treat. Good boy. Enjoying that? You're the best dog ever. I love watching you.
From discarded waste bones, we create premium pet chews. This transformation delivers a high-quality, sustainable treat. The finished product is a nutritious, safe chew that promotes pet health and reduces waste.
This is how waste bones are transformed into high-quality pet chew treats through a complete industrial process. Every stage plays an important role in ensuring safety, strength, and quality. If you enjoy watching factory process videos like this, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.